Nokia N76 Upper Block Disassembly and Assembly. You will need the following tools: the SS93, the dental pick, a straight-bladed screwdriver, metal tweezers, a bit holder with the SS112 and a torque driver. Keep your tools in good condition. Always replace them if worn out. Ensure that no battery is still inserted before starting repair. Open the assembly. Ease out and remove the screw caps with the dental pick. Carefully unscrew and remove the screws. Be double careful not to scratch the delicate surface while removing. Do not use these screws again. Gently pry open the cover at the top side first with the SS93. Mind the coax cable. Lift up and remove the cover. Unscrew these 4 screws in the shown order and discard them. Do not use them again. Lever up the B-covered deco and remove it. Carefully release the connector as shown. Avoid bending the connector. The coax cable is glued to the lid frame. Open the flex connector. Open these 2 metal latches. Do not overbend these clips. Remove the lid frame. Carefully open the flex connector of the LCD. Mind the components close to the connector. Cover the display with a protective film and remove it. Gently peel the media K-mate. Remove the adhesive residues. Release the adhesive of the lid FPC assembly and remove it. This adhesive is required for the production process only and must not be renewed when reassembled. Carefully lift up the LCD and shift it into direction shown. Cover the display with a protective film. Ease out and remove the earpiece. Use a new gasket when reassembling. The disassembling procedure is now complete. Assembly. Fit a new gasket to the earpiece. Place the earpiece into its compartment. Push it down carefully. Remove the protection film and place the LCD. Place the lid FPC assembly. Mind the correct positioning before continuing. Remove the protection film of the media K-mate. Align it and smooth it down evenly. Remove the protection film first. Close the flex connector of the LCD. Close the second flex connector. Place the lid frame. Note the correct positioning and click the snaps into their places. Align the coax cable and close the connector. Place the B-covered deco as shown. Note the correct positioning of the coax cable before going on. Insert 4 new screws. Set the correct torque. Apply the torque to the screws in the order shown. Place the cover. Click the snaps into their places. Insert 2 new screws. Set the correct torque. Tighten both screws. Cover the screws with new screw caps. Finally, check the windows and displays for cleanness.